Today, my topic is a new world order after the breaking out of League of Nation. UNO came into being in 1945. UNO headquarters is in White House, America. So nowadays, after making the UNO, the USA became the super power. After became superpower of USA, it attacked over many countries: Iraq, Iran, Libya, Afghanistan. During the war, USA, United States of America, started Cold War with USSR, United of Soviet Socialist Republic. So, Cold War means the war is running behind the scene. So, during Cold War, United States used Pakistan for attacking on USSR. USSR occupied Afghanistan, and during the war, the USA supplied weapons, money to the Pakistan, and in Pakistan, many Muslims gathered in Waziristan, as well as Osama bin Laden, who was commander chief of Jihad. So, Osama bin Laden started fighting against Soviet Socialist Republic in 1979. USSR fall out. They defeated from Afghanistan. They pulled out from Afghanistan. It was the success of USA as well as supremacy of USA. So, after that, USA attacked many countries: Iraq, the regime of Saddam Hussein. The USA took over the regime of Saddam Hussein. Saddam Hussein was hanged by USA forces. The USA destroyed many places of Saddam Hussein, as well as he killed the army of Saddam Hussein. So he attacked the Iran as well as Libya. The USA removed atomic bomb from South Korea Libya, Iraq, as well as many countries after the Cold War. Nowadays, new Cold War is being started among the USA, Russia, China. They are fighting to one another in a WTO, World Trade Organizations, UNO, USA imposed many sanctions on Russia, China, and other countries, among them Iran. The war is running between Russia and Ukraine. NATO as well as USA, Western allies are supporting the Zelensky, president of Ukraine. So, day by day, Cold War is being extended and new world order is being built up by Russia, China, Iran. So, wait, see, we will have to wait. Time will tell us what will happen. More watch my YouTube channel. Learn more English with Hafiz Ghulam Shabir. Narejo. See you again. Allah Hafiz.